Good afternoon po again mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel, ang inyo pong lingkod. So today nga is November 24, 2024. Tayo ngayon ay papunta dito, or andito na tayo sa may in place. Dito yan sa may Panay Avenue sa South Panay Avenue. At dadalhin natin yan ito sa may Cinema 76 Cafe sa may Tomas Morato 204 Unit 204 Scout Bromeo po yan. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamayang unti po pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer naman po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito. At wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob. At wala pong pinapatungkulan po sa labas. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamayang unti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Wala po naman 518. Oo, pag nagkataon nga mas malaking kikitaan sa cancellation nito. Makikitaan mo sa cancellation mo. Kawawa ka.
Hey man.
Ano po?
Hello. I know it's a short trip. How are you?
Doing good, sir. So, just to double check, Mr. Black Bull, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you could have went straight.
Okay. We'll go here.
I'm gonna walk, man. I was gonna go sweat in a minute. Man, I'm tired.
I just wanted to inform you, sir, that I'm recording right now.
Okay.
And you will upload this one to my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
John, the Filipino channel.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Well, he's very courteous, and my Hindi country lang Tagalog kasi tamad, so we cannot talk a lot. Joke lang only.
But it's good that you know how to speak Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Konti lang. At least,
So many places I've been. Isabella, they speak different.
oh, Isabela is Ilocano.
Cebu,
Yeah,
Cebuana.
yeah.
Where else I go? Oh God, they speak different language.
Actually, that is dialect.
That's the dialect.
Yeah, that's a native dialect of the
Yeah,
Philippines.
especially I never could get Cebuana. Could not get that. Had a hard time. But I like it there though. Very nice.
But you went to Isabela, right?
I stayed in Isabela.
That is Ilocano. I know how to speak Ilocano also.
No, because it was different. It was. I'm in the province, so you know nobody really talk.
Yeah.
So they didn't talk.
They are so shy. Maybe.
Very shy. Very shy. And all the doors close at 8:30.
Yeah, because that is a province.
Yeah, man.
That is a
Everything
culture
shut down.
here
Like,
in the Philippines.
I'm like, where everybody at? Everybody inside. 8:30. They inside. Doors locked. I'm like, what's going on? It's quiet. No, it's very, very nice though.
Anyway, what's your nationality, sir?
A black American.
Black American.
For those that don't know, that confused, black Americans always speak to other black Americans.
Yeah.
That's when you know. That's when you know the difference. Black Americans, and you will see sometimes Nigerians, they never speak to us. I don't know why. That's the difference. You can always tell.
Yeah, but still, you're American.
Yeah, I'm black. Yeah, I'm black American.
Just a black.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I remember your last president, Biden. He's
Obama?
also a black American, right?
Obama, yeah.
Yeah.
I was here when he was president.
Mm. Obama. Yeah,
Yeah,
Obama.
yeah. I was here. I was here.
So you stay here long here in the Philippines, huh?
On and off 10 years. On and off.
Mm.
I would go in and out.
Your wife's also Filipino?
Nope, not married. Not married. I'm single.
American.
I'm single.
You are single, huh?
Yeah, I'm just single. You took the back way. Okay. That's why I was like, where am I going? I can get out right here. I'm okay right here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'm sure nobody sees
Just a
somebody's
moment.
coming on the side of you. Wait, no.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Have a
much,
good
sir.
day, okay?
Take care, sir.
Evening, rather. Okay.
Take care.
Ingat.
Thanks. Okay, so nai-drop na natin si Sir. So, si Sir na isang Black American ay madaldal. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless po everyone. Paalam po muna pansamantala. At tayo ay unti-unting mag-ikot-ikot ulit para naman mabatuhan at makakuha tayo ng ating susunod na misyon na medyo pa isa-isa po yung ating gurami paso. Medyo talo tayo dito at medyo matakaw-takaw itong ating sasakyan. Medyo talo-talo tayo kaya maghanap tayo ng medyo may mapaparkingan ng konti at magpatay tayo ng ating makina dahil kapag kadire-diretsong nakandar to at gura-gurami yung nakikuha natin pa isa-isa na kay talo po tayo niyan. Talong-talo tayo. Okay po, so yan, dito nga tayo sa may so halos kadadrop nga lang natin, yan lang yan. I mean, dito lang yan sa area ng Tomas Morato po. So dito lang po tayo nagpapaikot-ikot muna yan sa may Tomas Morato. Babalik tayo doon. Hindi na muna tayo babalik doon. So tayo ay mag-ikot-ikot muna. Teka lang. So kung babalik tayo doon ay naipit tayo sa traffic. So wait lang. Tinitingnan ko. So ayan. So andito na nga tayo. Babalik tayo doon sa bandaro ng konti at doon tayo sa may bandang gasolinahan. Pwedeng magtambay doon. Diyan sa gasolinahan. Yan, so yan po yung isang sa gasolinahan natin. Yan din ang nakapagkarga sa akin ng diesel. So tumirik tayo minsan. Hindi ko rin napansin dahil sa kabisihan din natin. Tumirik tayo. So well, good. Wala namang may kasalanan doon. Hindi ko rin talaga napansin. At siyempre hindi rin napansin yan ng naggagasolina. Although talaga kasalanan niya yun. Pero walang may gusto. Gugustuhin ba niyang kargaan din ng diesel? Natural hindi. Pagkakamali din niya yun. At sa katunayan charge yun sa kanya at unti-unting binabawas. Siyempre natural ganyan ang trabaho mo. Kailangan talaga magpaka seryoso ka sa trabaho mo. Ako din naman, siyempre, alangan namang hindi ko ipapasagot sa kanila yun, di ba? So pagkakamali nila yun. Sagot naman na yun ng company. So, it's good dahil nakipag-cooperate naman sila at yan, sila yung gumawa, lahat-lahat, sinipsip pa talaga yung, inubos talaga yung laman ng tangke ko. At pinalitan nila yan ng gasolina. So, medyo naabala tayo ng konti sa ano yun, sa tapos naabala din natin yung ating ibang mga kapatiran dahil sila din yung nag-rescue sa atin dahil that time it's talagang gulong-gulo at tuliro na ang utak ko dahil talagang tumirik syempre kapag ka tumirik ka at ikaw lang talagang mag-isa sa kalsada talagang magiging tuliro ka rin at lalo't walang wala ka din talaga. Ayan, so maraming salamat po at napunta na ulit sa kwentuhan natin ito. So maraming salamat po sa panonood at tayo muna ay maghahanap ng maiihiyan. Okay, so maraming salamat po. God bless po everyone. Paalam po muna. Pansamantala po.